Right, well the parts are en route for this. They should be here any time today. So I'm going to get on and make a start on this again. I've just undone all the recovery body, so it's ready to lift off. Here we go. Oh, all comes off as one lump, which is handy. So with that removed, we can now work on the axles and suspension. What I'm going to do, obviously the leaf spring that runs these two axles is on the back at the minute. I'm going to move it to there. Therefore, I'm going to hang two drive axles off of the springs, and then I'm going to leave the rear drive axle on the trailing arms that I used here. Also, I'm going to lock the diffs. I'll show you how to do that. So therefore, I'll have two front drive axles that are locked and the rear one open. Again, Scotty from Scotty555 channel has done this and it's proven to work. So I'm going to copy that situation now while it's in bits to save taking it all apart again later. So I will show you what I learnt from Scott, and then you can, if you haven't already seen Scott, go and see his videos. Otherwise, you can copy what I've done. So I will crack on now. Right, so this is how you lock standard diffs without buying anything extra. Again, thanks to Scotty for the tip. What you do, you've got your three cogs on there. If you take one off and you fit it between the other two, like so. Oh, he says, forgetting that they all move. Anyway, you get the idea, like that, and then drop it back in. Now that is locked. They will all locked and turned together, so that is both output shafts will be locked tight. So, now I've done this a couple of times now on another build, and you've got to make sure that they go in completely properly. Does that even work, completely properly? But properly, because otherwise it'll bind up. I had to take one apart again because it bound up. So the best thing to do is just to stick one screw back in, or actually a couple, actually all of them, just to make sure. I'm hoping this one will be alright, so I won't have to take it apart again. But if you get these done up like so, they've got thread lock on them, so they go that way. So you need to make sure that all the shafts go in. There you go, like so, and then they now can't turn, they're locked. So with that back in there, it turns on the pinion without a problem. So that's a simple, quick way of how to lock your diffs. Right, and there it is. The triaxle is on, the shafts are on. It is ready for electrics now. So that's the bits all taken out of this new kit, so we can go through and see what's left, and obviously try and sell some of it on, including the cab, etc. So I'm going to leave this here. It's been a long day. I'm going to come back another day and make a start on the other side panel, making this all fit properly and sturdily, and then work out what we're doing along here, whether we put some tanks that come with the other kits down the side just to hide that in, or whether we just put plastic behind it, have it a flat panel. We will see. Right, I'll leave this one here for now.